Do you think Bitcoin is the digital version of gold in the long run? I do. I do. And it's interesting because Federal Reserve Chairperson Powell the other day kind of talked about Bitcoin as not being a replacement for the dollar. Hey, Mom, did you hear I said dollar correct, right? Mom, these Americans, they say dollar. It's dollar, right? I know. Yeah. So the Federal Reserve Chairperson Powell said that Bitcoin is kind of more of a replacement for gold than it is the U.S. dollar. Yeah, and I do view it that way as well. Yeah. So yeah, and there's a dearth of it. And so whenever you do analysis on any cryptocurrencies or any investment class for that matter, please make sure to look at the supply. And my mom's dad, Grandpa, God bless you, Grandpa, used to always say, Chrissy, buy land. They're not making it anymore. And so, right, Mom? And so whenever you're analyzing cryptocurrencies or any investment class, make sure you understand the underlying supply as well. If there's no limit on supply, it might not be the best cryptocurrency to invest in. And with Bitcoin, the supply is going to be limited to 21 million Bitcoins by the year 2140. By the year 2140, there's going to be the maximum number of Bitcoins out there, which is 21 million, in which case people will make money on transaction fees instead of just mining. Yeah.